Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you my favorite 8 Chrome extensions. So let us start. So the first thing is, let me clarify what is an extension. Extension is like the name, is an extension for Google Chrome to maximize resources or save information from Chrome to a third-party software or service. So the first thing we need to do and to show you how to find those extensions if you don't know. So Chrome has a extension store similar to your phone. So we have an app store. So we are going to click on a new tab, and the icon is going to show you in your left corner that is called apps. Here you're going to have your app drawer, and here you can see the web store. Here there's a lot of apps that you can install, and there are a lot of useful plugins and extensions. So the first thing that the first plugin, the first extension that I would like to recommend you is the Evernote Web Clip. So if you don't know what is Evernote, Evernote is a service that you can create different notes I'm sorry, and you can save it in the cloud base. So the good thing about this is that you can create a note in your phone with Evernote. It will save you that note inside. You can access that note in computer, Windows, iOS. If you're running different platform, it will sync all those computers and device with your note. So this plugin, it will help you save different, if you're browsing some website and you can want to save the information, like let me see this article in CNN or New York Times. So right now, if I like this, and it has different options, so right now I can save the full article. I can also change the article for simple mode. This is equivalent of reading only from Safari. I can save the full page. I can bookmark. I can do a screenshot. Also, I can highlight. I can highlight something here, and it will save the highlight to my notes. So that is the one of I can tell you that is my top extension right now. So my second extension is called Start.me. So Start.me is similar. It's like it's a bookmark extension. So that means that you were going to create a hub. This is the app, and this is the hub, like your homepage. So right now I can bookmark different news news outlets, and I can save it as different tabs here. It's like, if you're familiar with Windows 10, this is like a start screen but inside Chrome. So I have my shortcuts here and everything, and I can drag and drop whatever I decide. And this will help me, like in the mornings that we want to see the news and everything, and it will avoid me to get inside every website. So I have shortcuts here. So that is called Start.me. So my third plugin is called Tab Resize. So this is another very useful, like if I have several, let us open Twitter. So that is my Twitter. So with tab, here it is. I can all those tabs, I can put it in two, divided by 2 inside Chrome. So I can maximize my space inside Chrome. So I can do 1x2, 2x1, and 2x2. Let's do 2x2. So here I can divide it by 2x2. So it's very useful plugin if you have a big monitor. Right now I'm using a Viotek 30-inch curved monitor. Also, if you want to have I have a review for this monitor. That is the best monitor that you can buy right now for gaming and other stuff. I will leave the description below of that review. Also, it's very useful. The let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, I'm losing count. 1, 2, 3. My fourth plugin that I recommend you to install is the Speedtest. So this is a plugin for testing the speed of your internet. As an IT manager, I have a checklist every time that I come to my office. So I check my internet, I check all my servers, my backup, my email server, everything. So that is one of the things that I need to do, like a routine to check. So if you are in your work, you want to check prior to have your employees come to the office to check everything, so that way when they start working, to avoid calls, hey, my internet is down. I'm like, I did a test this morning, everything was working fine. So that is something that you can install, and it's a good shortcut, and it will save you less than 1 minute or 2 to search. Also, it's a service that is very reliable. So don't test your internet using your carrier test website, because they're going to be telling you, oh, we don't have any problem. So the fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4. My fifth plugin that I recommend you is called PDF Merging. So this plugin have saved me a lot of time, because sometimes people send me stuff, and like the main purpose of this plugin is to merge PDFs. That is the only thing that he does do. Sometimes people tell me, hey, I'm going to be in a meeting, I don't want to open 20 PDFs. Can you merge all those 20 PDFs? Most of the time you need to buy a third-party software. So this is free. So you drag and drop all your PDF, and this plugin, it will merge all the PDFs in one PDF. That will save you a lot of times. So my seventh plugin is called Google Keep. So let us go here. It's Google Keep. So most of the time, Evernote has similar stuff as Google Keep. The difference is, in my personal use, I use Evernote for my business notes, and I use Google Keep as my personal notes. So I can do my shopping list in Google Keep, and let me. It did open? Oh yeah, it did open. Sorry guys, it did open. So right now, it will open an extra screen, and you can create like a checklist, and you can do also notes, voice notes, and you can create different stuff. And this will sync also in different platforms. It will sync in your Android, iOS, whatever you already have installed. And my last plugin that I know that most of you already have advertisement is Honey. So Honey, it will find different website. I buy a lot of stuff in Amazon. So this Honey plugin will search the best prices and also has a different discounts. So I save a lot of money. I search a lot of stuff. One of the things that I have learned is to find everywhere to find discounts. So this will help me also do my research prior to buying some stuff. So I recommend you. Doesn't hurt having this plugin. It will save you time. It will save you money, and more money in your pocket, better. And that's it. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like icon. Also, subscribe to the channel. My channel is all about finding simple ideas for personal use and your business using technology. Also, smash the bell so that way you will have notified every time that I upload any video. And also, if you have any comments or you want to talk to me, you can hit me in my social media channel. Also comment to this video. And thank you guys.